us your name and the name of your business.
My name is Susan Doscher, and my name and my business is Wandering Eye Art Gallery.
Very good. And what did you enjoy the event this evening and the speakers?
Yes, I was amazed by the ability that artificial intelligence has, and that how it can help us with marketing and sales and just getting the word out, getting my brand out. I'm super excited because I really didn't know anything about it, so this is my first experience seeing it.
That's awesome. What is one of the major takeaways that you're going to leave here and go and apply?
Well, I know I already had CapCut downloaded on my phone because someone had told me about it, but I really didn't know how to incorporate it. So as soon as I get home, I'm going to take some of my videos I've already done, try to use the AI. I'm going to go home and try to put it all together and see how I do.
Awesome. And what did you think about the quality of the speakers and?
Oh yeah, it was amazing. Very easy to understand, all the information that they gave us, all the free information regarding the websites that we can already use, and so I feel like I'm confident enough to go home and at least give it a try.
Awesome. You think other people should come to the workshop?
Definitely think other people should come to I highly recommend this workshop. Yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.